happening out there, guys? So my question today for everybody out there: are you superstitious? So I'm going to roll that intro and get into it. So before I get into the superstition part, I just want to say real fast that if anybody out there wants to do a sticker swap, hit me up. I'll be more than happy to do that with you. You want to send me something, send me stickers, I'll send them back to you. My P.O. box is listed in the description below. Alright, so let's get into a superstition sticker swap. Superstition. So I want to talk about a superstition that a lot of bikers adhere to, and that is the Gremlin bell / guardian bell, whatever you want to call it. Now, the Gremlin bell, they say, helps ward off the gremlins. What's up, bro? The gremlins that jump on motorcycles as they go by. And what happens is it collects the gremlins in the hollow of the bell, and the ringing of the bell drives the gremlins crazy. They lose grip and fall off. So essentially it's supposed to keep you safe from the gremlins of the road. So if you believe in that, then most likely you have a gremlin bell on your motorcycle. I do. Now they say you can buy it for yourself, but they say it is 2 times more powerful if somebody buys it for you and gifts it to you. So my Gremlin bell was given to me probably, let me think here, 14, 15 years ago, by my brother-in-law. When I had my mean streak, he gave it to me. And you can transfer the Gremlin bell from bike to bike. That is fine. You know, like I said, if you're going to adhere to the superstitions and all this other stuff. So yes, you can transfer it from bike to bike. So I'm getting on the highway now. I really hope you can hear me. We'll find out. So the reason I'm talking about a Gremlin bell is that when I hit 400 subscribers here on YouTube, I am going to be gifting somebody with a Gremlin bell. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 400 subs. When I get there is when I'll put out a video or whatnot describing what you have to do, blah blah blah, yada yada yada, that kind of thing. So like I said, just curious to see if there's superstitious people out here that do put Gremlin bells on there. I'm not really a fan of highway riding, but it serves a purpose for today. And that's why I'm doing it. Now, speed limit on this road is 55 miles an hour. I'm currently doing 65, and people are passing me like I'm standing still. Yeah, I'm just taking a nice leisurely cruise on the highway. And people from this area know that this road right here, 422, fucking terrible. This road sucks. There's always accidents on it. It's a horrible road to ride. So I am currently 380 something in this subscriber count. So, and it's been slow picking up some new ones. So, like I said, it'll be a 400 subscriber giveaway, and along with the Gremlin bell, you will get a sticker pack too, obviously, of course. You know, I will send some goofy bastard swag. So we're going to stop at Wawa and we're going to get some food before I head on home. If you're from the area, you know Wawa's the shit. And for those of you not from the area, I'm telling you, Wawa is the shit. Trying not to get run over by anybody here. Yeah, I guess I'll take your parking spot, dude. Alright guys, I will be back in a minute. Oh shit, didn't think about that. I'm probably gonna have to cut that out. They had music playing in the Wawa. Guess I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I guess I'm going to have to take that out. Well, that kind of sucks. I was having a conversation with a man in the Wawa, asking me about my camera and my GoPro and stuff like that. Oh well. C'est la vie. Alright guys, so if you believe in the Gremlin bells, let me know. Give me your thoughts and ideas. And like I said, at 400 subs, I will be gifting one to somebody. So hopefully they will have good luck on their motor scooter. Alright, my friends. So, until next time, please stay safe and love one another. Peace.